Hello, crafty friends. My name's Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Owl. I am here today to introduce you, or maybe reintroduce you, to the Oh So Inspired collaboration series and team. I hope you'll stick around to learn more and meet the new and returning members. Do you enjoy inspiring and being inspired by other artists and crafters? Well, so do I, and I think that no matter our style or skill level, we can always be inspired by others' creations and inspire them with our own. This idea is what inspired me to start and host the Oh So Inspired collaboration here on YouTube. Each month on the 20th, the team and I use the same chosen inspiration piece and create something new based upon it. We could take a tag and turn its layout into a card. Use the color palette from a card to create another one that looks totally different. Take a floral element from a birthday card and make it a sympathy card using the same floral. The list and possibilities are endless. For instance, last month, this card by Emily Midlowski was our inspiration piece, and I took that row or that border of flowers, and this is the card I created. While I was inspired by her piece, it looks totally different, and the rest of the teams did as well. I don't know about you, but my favorite part of each month's hop is seeing the wide range of projects that the same piece inspired. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite part of Oh So Inspired is. If you have never joined us for an Oh So Inspired collaboration hop, you can revisit the December 2023 hop, which is linked in the description box below, and then come back tomorrow to see who is inspiring us this month and what each of the team members has created for January 2024. And speaking of team members, I could not do this alone. So I would like to introduce you to the January through June 2024 Oh So Inspired collaboration team. Some faces may be familiar from past hops, but I'm excited to say the team is growing in 2024. Before we get to who will be sharing this year, I do have one goodbye to say. And that is Marla of Mad About Cards and Crafts. She has been with the team since it started back up last January and was such a joy to work with. I always loved seeing what she created, and I'll definitely miss her on the team. I'm hoping you will continue to follow Marla with me here on YouTube and her other socials, which are up on screen now and will be linked in the description box below. Now let's see who will be inspiring us starting tomorrow. Of course, I will be here on the 20th of each month since I am the host. If you don't already subscribe to my channel here or follow me on the other social sites you belong to, I hope you will. My links, as well as the others shown on today's slides, will be in the description box below. I hope you will find some new artists to follow. Next up and new to the Oh So Inspired team is Amalia of Cool Cakes and Crafts with Amalia. Returning to the team in 2024 is Carmen of the Choose Joy with Carmen YouTube channel. Another new face to the team is Danni of the Danni's Dreams YouTube channel. Jay of the Craft by Jay YouTube channel will be joining us in January of 2024. Returning for 2024 is Karen of Karen's Crafting Company here on YouTube. Kim of the Kim Dixon Creative channel will also be continuing on in 2024. Another new face to the team is Lauren of the Lauren Taylor Made YouTube channel. Lynn of LV Handcrafted will also be continuing on in 2024. Another familiar face and channel is Rachel of Fancy That Stampin'. Teresa of the Fresh and Renewed with Teresa YouTube channel will be joining us starting this month. Continuing on with the team is Tobey of the Bitty Penny YouTube channel. And last but not least, and new to the team, is Yvette of Yvette Olea Creates. I hope after today's video you are just as excited as I am for tomorrow. And if you are, a thumbs up on this video is always appreciated. Until my next video, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above.